This is pretty amazing. Thousands of people across the country lined up outside Verizon wireless stores early this morning. Today, Verizon released its iPhone 4. So the question many people want answered is, what's the difference between the two? Both AT&T and Verizon are listing the reasons why their iPhone is better than the other today. So we've compared the two against each other, and we did find a few key differences. First of all, you cannot talk and surf the internet with the Verizon iPhone unless you're in a location that has wireless internet. For instance, if your home has wireless internet, then it would work just fine there. The Verizon iPhone only works in 40 countries around the world, and I mean, 40 countries is a pretty good shot, but AT&T works in more than 200.
Good for me, but...
AT&T in more than 200, though. So Verizon says, however, if you're going to a country that does not have Verizon service, it will loan you a free phone for 3 weeks. That will work for you, so that's a good deal, but only if you're going to a country without Verizon service. Also, the Verizon iPhone has 3G hotspot capability, meaning you can tap into 5 additional Wi-Fi devices to the Verizon iPhone using it as its own internet provider, its own hotspot. AT&T does not have this service yet, but they are looking into it. However, AT&T does have hotspot connections, so if you go to Starbucks, for example, or maybe even a Barnes & Noble, you can hook up to the Wi-Fi there and use it for free. So we have a Verizon phone. That's this one right here, and we also have an AT&T iPhone. AT&T iPhone. I'm going to turn them around so you can see the backs of them as well. I mean, they look almost exactly the same.
I cannot tell the difference.
Now, look at this. I mean, it really is pretty remarkable. One difference, the Verizon phone, this one, its iPhone's volume and mute button are in different locations, so you can't purchase an AT&T cover for a Verizon iPhone, and that's an issue for a lot of people. They want the cover because they, drop the phone all the time. Anyway, now you know, but I mean, how identical are they? They're even, the cases are the same size, screens have the same clarity, but there's a little comparison for you. I'm sure we're going to put that all online. That all went by very quickly, but if you're weighing it, if you're weighing it, we'll give you an opportunity to compare. All right? Okay, now you know.
Depending on your travel schedule.
That's right.
For sure.